Portux 3D resins made with acrylic monomers for dental application. Compatible with Open LCD/DLP 385 and 405 nanometer printers. Fast printing speed. High precision in details. Optimal dimensional stability and mechanical resistance. Recommended for the printing of sterilizable guides, suitable for intraoral use in surgical interventions for implant placement. Slightly bluish and translucent in color, allowing for a clear visualization of tissues and underlying dental structures during surgery. Stable color without yellowing after proper post-curing processes. Excellent precision ensures proper patient adaptation during surgical procedures. Withstands common autoclave sterilization processes without distorting or cracking, allowing for secure preparation.